In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening inventory balances in QuickBooks, a task that's crucial for accurate bookkeeping and inventory management. Whether you're kicking off with a new system or tidying up your current records, knowing how to properly input these numbers ensures that your financials are accurate from the get-go. Let's dive in and make sure everything is set up perfectly. First, the initial step is to sign into your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Here you'll be greeted with the sign in option. Simply click on sign in to get the process started. Once you're on the sign in page, be sure to select QuickBooks Online. This will direct you to the online version where you'll manage your finances. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password. Double check that everything is correct and then click on continue. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the QuickBooks dashboard. The next step is to navigate to your transactions. Look for the Transactions tab on the sidebar. It's typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on this tab to proceed. This section is where you can manage and review all of your company's financial transactions. From here, you want to open the Chart of Accounts. This area gives you a comprehensive view of all accounts that your organization uses to record financial transactions. Find and click on Chart of Accounts, usually located within the Transactions menu. Once there, it's time to search for Inventory Asset. This account is critical because it holds all the data for the physical inventory your business has on hand. In the search bar, type Inventory Asset and then press Enter. This will filter the list and quickly direct you to the correct account. Now, you want to click on View Register next to the Inventory Asset account. Once you're viewing the register, the next step is to select the specific inventory item you wish to modify. Look through the list and click on the inventory item that requires adjustment. With the item selected, you'll need to click on Edit. This action lets you modify the details of your inventory item. Once you're in the editing screen, adjust the quantity to reflect your opening balance. This is essential to ensure that your inventory numbers start off accurate. Finally, review all changes to make sure everything is correct. And when you're satisfied, click on Save to update your inventory records. And there you have it. You successfully entered your opening inventory balances, setting your company up with precise data. Doing this regularly can help maintain accurate financial records, assist in making informed business decisions, and keep your inventory organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has made your QuickBooks experience a little bit easier.